Here is a Catalina ceiling fan, model AC155, I believe. I got this at Fanimation last year. I don't remember who I got it from, but this is the first fan install in the new house, and I installed it in, I don't even know, it's basically a dining room, but we're not using it as a dining room. But yeah, I gotta take this thing back down at some point and replace the box because this thing wobbles all over the place. But luckily it's pretty well balanced, so it doesn't even wobble as is. But yeah, it kind of wobbles pretty good. So anyway, we'll start it up on low. Don't mind the cat in the background. It's got a pretty decent low speed. More of an aesthetic than anything. Throws a gentle breeze if you're at the computer here. Okay, going to medium. I gotta keep the fan from wobbling every time I pull the chain. Medium's got a slight wobble to it. Nothing too bad. It's throwing out a pretty good breeze now. Okay, we'll go to high. Pretty good air mover. I mean, I'm standing about 7 feet away from it right now, and I can feel it pretty good. But yeah, and we'll go off. I'm not doing spin down time. I never do them anymore. I haven't done them in years, but anyway, that's it, and until next time.